In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix I2C HID device not working code 10. First, go to Device Manager. Under the Human Interface Devices, find the I2C HID device driver here. So once you find it here, you will simply right click on it and then click Disable, then wait for a few seconds and then enable it. Now you also can update the driver for this service. So if you update the driver, this could also fix your issue. So just make sure you update it. Now also you can, if you're, let's say, having an issue with your mouth or pointing device, you can do the same thing here. Right click, disable the HID, and then enable it, and then update the driver. So once you do this, now one last thing, when you go back to the same place, Human Interface Devices, and right click on the I2C HID device. I don't have it here, but you will have it if you have the option. You need to click Properties, and here under the details, you want to check if there's an update for the driver. So there's two ways you can check. You can actually check it by just right clicking and then update, and you can do it by going to Properties and then Drivers. Then here you'll be able to see the same thing. Now another thing you should do is right click Properties, and then under where it says Power Management, make sure the option where it says Allow computer to turn off this device to save power is turned off. If this is turned on, make sure you tick it off, then click OK. And once you do this, this should fix your issue.